Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now before we begin, I know some of you might be thinking, looks like an AI-generated video. And honestly, yes, I do use AI for planning and improving the content because let's be real, learning and using AI these days can actually make your life easier. But let me make one thing super clear, the information I'm sharing with you today is 100% based on my own real experience as a data analyst. I've written this script myself. I know how this journey works, and what I'm sharing today will genuinely help you build your future in data. So let's talk about something really important. Why every data analyst should learn Power BI. And just so you know, I've already uploaded detailed videos on this channel about Power BI, how to make dashboards, create visuals, write DAX formulas, connect data, everything. So while I talk about the importance, I'll also guide you on where to find those videos to learn step by step. So first of all, why Power BI? Power BI is a tool from Microsoft that helps you turn complex data into beautiful dashboards and reports. Instead of looking at boring tables full of numbers, you can see your data in visual form, like charts, graphs, and interactive filters. It helps you and your team understand what's really happening with the data. Whether it's sales reports, customer insights, employee performance with Power BI, you can track everything in one place. And the best part is, it's beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a developer. If you can work in Excel, you can learn Power BI. If you want to learn how to build your own dashboard, I've made a video where I take you through it step by step. Check it out on the channel. If you're trying to get a job as a data analyst, here's a fact. Power BI is mentioned in most job descriptions today. And it makes sense. Companies don't just want someone who can collect or clean data, they want people who can also present it clearly and tell a story with it. When you go for an interview and say, I've built dashboards in Power BI and then actually show your work, it's a huge plus. And if you're not sure how to make strong charts or visualizations, I've uploaded a separate video that explains when to use which chart so your reports actually make an impact. Now let's talk about DAX, short for Data Analysis Expressions. This is where Power BI becomes super powerful. DAX lets you write formulas to calculate totals, create KPIs, compare monthly data, filter results, and do all the smart stuff analysts need to do. Think of it like Excel formulas but built specifically for data analysis. If you're new to DAX, don't worry, I've made a simple, easy-to-understand DAX tutorial video where I explain the most useful formulas with real examples. What I love most about Power BI is how it's built for everyone, whether you're just starting or already working in data. You don't need to know coding. Everything is visual. You drag and drop your data and build your dashboard step by step. And when you want to go a little deeper, you can using DAX, custom visuals, Power Query, and more. If you've never used Power BI before, don't worry. I've uploaded videos explaining how to connect and clean data, how to build dashboards from scratch, and how to share your reports. It's all there on the channel, made simple for beginners. So here's my advice. Start learning Power BI now. Whether you're applying for jobs, looking to grow in your current role, or even freelancing, Power BI gives you a major advantage. It helps you analyze faster, present better, and make smarter decisions. And when combined with your growing knowledge of AI tools, it'll make your workflow smoother and more efficient. So that's it for today's video. I hope it gave you a clear understanding of why Power BI is such an important skill for data analysts. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe because I've already uploaded lots of helpful Power BI videos, including how to create dashboards, different types of charts and visuals, writing DAX formulas, and working on real-life projects. You can check the playlist section of my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.